Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Nest Hello wired doorbell with Nest wiring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Nest Hello wired doorbell, start by gathering all necessary tools and materials. You will need a Nest Hello doorbell, a screwdriver, wire connectors, and a drill if required. Before beginning, ensure that you turn off the power at your circuit breaker to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, remove your existing doorbell. If there is a doorbell chime, take a picture of the wiring for reference. Disconnect the wires from your old doorbell and set it aside. Now, prepare the Nest Hello doorbell for installation. Locate the mounting bracket that comes with the Nest Hello. Align the bracket with your existing doorbell wiring. Using the provided screws, secure the bracket to the wall. Next, connect the wires from your power source to the Nest Hello. Typically, you'll connect the two wires to the B and R terminals on the back of the doorbell. Make sure the connections are tight and secure, using wire connectors if necessary. Once the wiring is complete, carefully position the Nest Hello onto the mounting bracket. Press it into place until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely attached. Now it's time to reconnect the power at the circuit breaker. After restoring power, check the doorbell's functionality by pressing the button. If the light rings up, it indicates that your installation was successful. Next, download the Google Home app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Set up an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the in-app instructions to add your Nest Hello doorbell to your Google Home setup. Make sure to customize your settings for notifications and preferences. After completing the setup, run a test to ensure you can view the camera feed and receive alerts. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your Nest Hello wired doorbell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.